Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the temperature in the FlightAware flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And if you scroll down at the weather section, look for the temperature button and click on that. And as you can see, there are 2 units that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.